Tesla Cybertruck owners are taking to social media to complain about the lengthy repair times for the futuristic electric truck. A Tesla customer who crashed his brand new Cybertruck just 4 hours after picking it up has said it will cost him thousands of dollars and almost 1 year to fix the truck. Now, the same Cybertruck owner is alleging he has been quoted 1 year for parts and $30,000 max for the repairs. A lot of users have expressed concerns about the wait times for repairs and the lack of parts available to fix the issues these trucks are experiencing. Tesla is dropping the ball on Cybertruck on several fronts. Another owner said he owned the truck for 6 hours before it needed to be towed. The repair timeline is 4+ weeks. As of now, the truck seems to be plagued by multiple issues and Tesla has no parts available for the repairs.